How to rank Fiverr gig on the first page in 2024. Are you still not getting orders on Fiverr, looking for a Fiverr gig ranking in 2024? You are in the right place. Here we will discuss the recipe for the optimized gig to rank higher and provide you with handsome earnings. But I want to inform you that we don't create traditional procedural videos like other channels. We aim to facilitate you with an analysis of different aspects of Fiverr gig ranking in 2024. So come to our topic. Fiverr's bot detects some major factors for ranking the gig on the top of the page. Every freelancer on Fiverr required to address these factors to rank higher and earn handsomely. First factor is niche selection. The first and most important factor in the gig ranking is niche selection. Always select the high-potential niche with the most top-rated sellers. Less potential niches will have a smaller number of customers and ultimately fewer organic orders. Second factor is the keyword research.